Hey everyone, internship season आ चुका है and you have only got about 1 month to prepare. अब या तो तुम randomly prep करोगे and you'll burn out or prep smart and crack your offer. So, I'm Yashini Bansal, CSE grad from IIT Varanasi and an ex-Google intern. In this video, I'm going to be your internship prep savior. But before we begin, you must be thinking how reliable is this video and why you should trust me. So I have cracked both on-campus and off-campus offers. Secondly, I've personally mentored students get into internships with firms like Google, Salesforce, etc. Now, let's get to the point. Firstly, you need to understand the general intern hiring process that most companies follows. So first is your resume shortlisting, then you'll have your online assessments with the coding or aptitude based questions. Then you'll have the interviews, which can be technical or behavioral. Varying firm to firm, there can be multiple rounds of interviews. अब स्मार्ट लोग इसमें क्या करते हैं? They research about the companies they are targeting, their hiring process. And अब तुम्हें क्या करना है? सबसे पहले तो make a list of the companies you are targeting this summer for internships. And then reach out to your seniors, do your research, reach out to the people who have been through the process, talk to them, ask questions. So you'll get an idea about what you can expect in the process. And there's so many posts and articles on platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, Medium, Glassdoor. So you can read through those and it will make you more comfortable when you're actually going through the process. Also, you can mold and shape your preparation with what you're expecting to be asked in the interviews and the tests for those companies. Talking about resumes, so resume is your first filter. सिर्फ पढ़ते रह जाओगे, resume अच्छा नहीं होगा, so you won't even get a chance to showcase yourself. How bad is that? So for resumes, keep it one pager, don't clutter, and grammatical issues तो बिल्कुल नहीं होने चाहिए. एक बार Grammarly पे जरूर check कर लेना. Apart from that, keep white background, black text, readable font size and style. I'll also link a few templates in the description below. And apart from that, if you want personalized resume reviews with me, you can schedule a top mate call. And here's a surprise for you. Watch this complete video and somewhere in the video, you'll spot a 15% discount code for all my top mate calls. Anyways, moving on to OAs. Online assessments में mostly programming problems रहते हैं. Apart from that, there can be aptitude-based questions. Again, depending on the companies you are targeting. So for aptitude-based questions, you can practice on IndiaBix platform. And for the programming problems, अभी DSA पर focus करो. Time कम है, energy भी limited है. अगर अभी तक competitive programming start नहीं करी है, तो अब करना भी मत. Targeted prep करो. You can follow any DSA sheet that you are comfortable with. Apart from that, you can find topic-wise or company-wise questions on platforms like LeetCode, GFG, or InterviewBit. Okay, so for technical interviews, you should focus on array, strings, DP, graph, binary search, priority queues, and the sorting algorithms like merge sort, quick sort, and heap sort. इसके बाद you can move on to stacks, queues, trees, binary search trees. And ये सब topics जब cover हो जाए ना, then you can move on to advanced TSA like tries, TSU, segment trees and all this stuff. अब see, prep तो तुम्हारी हो जाएगी, but there's a way as to how you communicate and present yourself in an interview. So I've already have a LinkedIn post about that. I'll link that in the description below. And a pro tip, mock interviews. Definitely practice with mock interviews. You can ask your friends or seniors to conduct mock interviews for you and you can do the same. So it's like collaboratively you can learn and practice. अब mock interviews are very important because वहां जाके सिर्फ कोड करने से you can't ace an interview. वहां पे सिर्फ problem solve करना is not the end goal. What you have to do is you have to communicate your logic in a way you and your interviewer understand and agrees upon. अब ये जो last का 1 month that you have, इसमें mostly you will be practicing DSA obviously and doing your research to optimize your preparation. अब last के 4-5 days or let's say 1 week, what you have to do is start learning CS fundamentals also. And इसमें your priority order should be, firstly, whichever language you are practicing in, let's say C++, Python or Java, you need to be very familiar with what's happening under the hood. कि जो तुमने एक भी statement लिखी है ना, उसका कैसे इंटरनली क्या प्रोसेस चल रहा है, व्हाट ऑल इंस्ट्रक्शंस आर बीइंग प्रोसेस्ड बाय योर मशीन. एंड इसके बाद you need to focus on object-oriented programming, operating systems, DBMS, SQL. Again, depending on your companies that you are targeting, you may also have to learn about computer networks and system design. So there are many firms which have a dedicated system design round for their interview process. This is mostly the gist of it. And if you're feeling stressed and overwhelmed, you're not alone. I know this time can be tough and full of uncertainties, but you'll eventually get to what you want. You just need to be consistent and have patience. Good things take time. So if you feel stuck or you are just confused about anything, you can DM me on Topmate. I've kept DMs absolutely free. So yeah, I would genuinely love to help you out. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. That's it for this one. Bye-bye.